I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question before us. We'll of course use change of base to evaluate the logarithmic expressions given here. So the question is, evaluate the following logarithms using calculator. So in this case, what you notice is that the base is not 10, nor is it e. So we have log to the base 2 of 3, we have log to the base 3 of 4, and log to the base 4 of 5. What you need to do is you need to evaluate each one of them using calculator, right? So we will learn how to evaluate logarithms with different bases using calculator, and we'll apply change of base formula. But before that, there is a question for you. Can you identify that amongst these three which term is least? So we will evaluate and figure it out. Now, can you tell me which is the lowest term and which is the greatest amongst these, right? So can you tell me that? And you can pause the video, answer this question, and also justify your answer, right? Now let's begin by answering the question first. Whenever you see a logarithmic graph, so what you observe really is that the graph really is kind of like this. So it increases faster and then slower and slower. Therefore, these ratios will be lower and lower as we move forward. So the greatest value should be of log to the base 2 of 3. The greatest value will be log to the base 2 of 3, and the lowest should be log to the base 4 of 5, right? Now let us check and figure it out whether it is true or not. Well, that is the reason that gives you this kind of difference in the values. Okay. Now, how to change the base? We have learned that change of base formula is, let me write down here, change of base formula. So if I want to change the base, let us say we have log a of x, and if I want to change the base to b, then it becomes log b of x divided by log b of a, right? So that is the change of base formula, right? Remember that part. This is change of base. So we are going to apply this particular formula and evaluate all these expressions using calculator. So you can now pause the video, change the base, apply this formula, and see what you get. So let me write them. First, using change of base formula, I could write log to the base 2 of 3 as log of 3 divided by log of 2. And I can write log to the base 3 of 4 as log of 4 divided by log of 3, and log to the base 4 of 5 can be written as log 5 of log 4. Now if I don't write anything in the base, it means to the base of 10. Let us use the calculator and calculate our answers. So the first one is log of 3 equals to divided by log of 4. First is log 3 divided by log 2. So let's do log of 3 divided by log of 2 equals to 1.584. So here we get 1.584. Now let's do log 4 divided by log 3. So log 4 divided by log 3 equals to 1.261. You can round it to 2, right? Okay, round it to 2. And the third one is log of 5 divided by log of 4. And that gives us 1.16. We can round it to 1, right? So these are the values which we get. So as expected, log 2 of 3 is highest, right? Log 2 of 3 is the greatest. Log 4 of 5 is the lowest, right? So what we find is that this ratio keeps on decreasing as we move forward, right? So that is a very interesting thing to notice, and that will help you in some questions where we need to arrange logarithmic expressions in increasing or decreasing order. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.